how to activate your old Navyist credit card. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to activate your old Navyist credit card. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to your web browser and simply search for old Navyist credit card login. Now you'll see the Barclays US link right on top, so just go ahead and open this up. Now once you open it up, you can just go ahead and click on the bank. And if you already have an account, which you probably should, you can click on the login button at the top right corner of your screen. Now a little menu will pop up on your screen. Just tap on the sign in button. Here you're just going to have to provide your username and your password for your Barclays account. And once you've done that, if you want to view your password, click on this little I button to view your password. And if you want the browser to remember your username, check this box right here so that you don't have to enter it every time you try to log in. And somehow if you've forgotten your username or password, you can recover it from this link. Now just click on this login button and you'll see the credit card option right when you log in. You'll find all of your credit cards there that you've added. Now in order to activate, just click on the credit card and you should have an activate button right there. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.